This is the Pattiumo impact sprinkler. Let's take a look. Without the head, it comes to 32 inches in height. At the lowest position, it's about 14¼ inches in height. Here's where you hook up your hose, and you got a strainer on there, which is nice. Let's go ahead and put on our pipe tape. And when you put your pipe tape on, the easiest way is to hold the pipe tape stationary and screw the object that the threads are on. So normally you would screw it in this direction, clockwise. So you put your pipe tape on there and just start screwing in the normal direction that you would fasten it on. Make sure you get your pipe tape in the right direction and that it doesn't bunch up when you try to screw it on to the female end. I've got a little excess there, but that's not going to matter. Now I'll get a wrench and tighten this up a little bit before I try it out. Now here are the two rings you set your degree of spread from 0 to 300 degrees. You can adjust both of these just by pushing and pulling on them. That was my little bit of pipe tape there. And then if you want the full 300, then you lift this up. Oh, I see. It's really, you push it out, not really lift it up. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Now it lifts up. Okay. Now, these stops aren't going to touch anything as it goes around. And it says in the instruction manual it's brass. It's probably just this brass colored parts right here. On the web page it says it's alloy. So it must be brass in these parts, and the rest is, I don't know if that's plastic, or this looks like alloy probably here, plastic here, and I'm not sure what that is. Now I think here's where your water comes out here, out of this hole. And I think what you do is you move this to adjust the arc of the water and the distance that the water is going to travel. So you can completely
So I wanted to point this out. This sprinkler doesn't work. Not the right way. It only goes the one direction, no matter what you do. The instructions say that it's supposed to alternate, supposed to rotate, but once you get to the stop, it just stops. It does not keep working. See? Staying that way.